Okay, so we are going to start with the first lecture to demonstrate how a video editing software OBS works here. In the full stack group, we are starting with the first one. Yes, this screen is intentionally blank because I'm going to tell you how we are adding the screen from the first screen. Okay, so we are going ahead. Let's see if you are able to see this now. The first thing I'm going to add here, a complete screen capture. So now the point when you are able to see something on the screen. So this is actually the OBS software we are right now working on. Okay, after this I am going to add something that is the video device. Maybe you are not able to see it clearly, but this is the first time, so you can check here. Okay, so at this point you will be able to see me. Hello everyone, myself Dr. Lokesh. I'm handling the full stack club here in Bennett. So this is how we are going to create the interactive videos. I will tell you step by step the things, starting from the how we are adding the mic here, the video capture, the window display, the camera that we are going to use here, the devices that are best available and best suitable, you can say, in form of the capacity, the storage, and all these things we can discuss in detail. Okay, so starting with the few basic things. This is the video that I have just edited here, so I'm just going to make it little smaller. Okay, I will make it a little big also in between, just to demonstrate the video properties with you. So before that, first of all, we will discuss the purpose. What is the purpose of designing the video, using the video editing software here? So maybe the final year student, most of the time the query I got received here that you wanted to create the video lectures for you for your project. Okay, so for that obviously you will be dealing with some PPTs. So this is the complete OBS software running in front of you. So there is the first thing is scene that is going on here in front of you. So maybe there can be multiple scenes, scene 1, scene 2. The scene 1 can be the classroom, scene 2 can be the something else, the studio setup only where you are using for the interviews only. So here we are using the scene, and in the scene we are going to add some sources. So source can be your mic, your camera, your screen, your PPT, and anything else, the images, the logos that you're going to put on your video, everything. So we will go step by step. So 3 things are already here, you can check. The video capture device, so that is something that you are able to see me here in this video. So this is actually a great display video with 10x zoom, and the quality of the video is little good, I can say. In this video you can check here, but in the same way the quality depends on the software you are using, OBS for this instance. The quality depends on the camera, that if you are using the inbuilt camera or you are using the some better HD camera. So right now the camera quality is a little good, I will say. At the next time, now for the next instance that I'm going to add here is the PPT. So for adding the PPT, in the deprecated things you can check here, the display capture and window capture are there because I just updated the OBS software. So the window capture are now coming at the bottom. In the window capture, if I just say PPT, because you can rename these very easily, PPT. Okay, now you are able to see multiple option here, the PPT option here. So in PPT we know the mode is a reading mode, is a editing mode, or a slide mode. So in the slide mode, if I put my PPT something like this in the slide mode and I go back to the OBS software, you can check here. If I go back to the PPT, there is something you can check here, PPT in slide mode. So there are 2 PPT options, one is the PowerPoint slideshow and the other is this one. So this is the editing mode. So in the PowerPoint slide mode, if I check here, the complete screen is there, you can check, and now only the PPT is visible. because this is at the top. So this sequence also matters. If you want to come on the top of this PPT, then you need to put it, you can easily drag it here. So you need to put it here like this, okay. So now I'm on the top of this. And you can drag the PPT at the screen size the time you want. So this is something very easily manageable with the help of the keyboard or the mouse, I'll say. Okay, so I'm on the top of the PPT. The PPT is in my background. Now if I want to add some logo over here, so image is the option. Image slideshow is something different, something else. It means in the image slideshow you put all those things you want to change periodically at the time, the 1 second, 2 seconds, 5 seconds you want to put over there. So in the image, if I choose any existing image for this purpose as my full stack group image, so I'm just adding here the full stack logo on the image, because whatever I'm creating for this particular club. Okay, so logo is there. Now if you want to add something which is not the part of the PPT, not the part of the video, and not belongs with the particular lecture, but you just want to implement for the sake of something exciting that you want, that information you want to give to your user or the person who is dealing with your videos. So for that purpose, if I want to implement something at the in the bottom, okay, so how I can do it? Let's go to the PPT. So if I tell you, whenever we are designing or running such kind of software, so whenever I will go to the PPT, I won't be able to see these videos here. So in the OBS you will get the complete video, the complete merged video in which the logo is there, the video is there, the PPT is there, all are merged. But so at the output you will be able to see. But if I talk about the PPT, you won't be able to notice all these things on the PPT. So PPT is completely the same PPT as you are doing it in the class or while working on the PPT in the slide mode. So if I open the PPT and start working on it, the second slide would be like this. So at this time you may be able to see my image and the logo, but I tell you I won't be able to see anything. The complete screen is exactly blank. Blank, I mean only the PPT is there. If I try to write something here, is okay. But the point is, if I want to put something in the bottom, some running bar, something you see in the newspaper, news channels, some bottom text is going on at the same time you are running the video. So how we can do it? So for that I need to go back to the OBS software, to the PPT. Here I can check one thing, that is a color source. So if I go to the color source, I add the color source, so I can select the color, whatever color I want. Most of the time I choose the blue color, so this is on the top of it. So it is just a bottom bar. So this is the bottom bar of my blue color. I wanted to put it here, okay. But now you can check the video is coming something like this. So I just need to reorder the placement of this color and video capture. So I put the video on the top, and I can rearrange it like this also. You can check, because video is logged or unlogged, I need to check it. So now I want to put the video over here, okay. I wanted to put the text also, so there is also a beautiful option you can check here, the text freestyle too. So this is updated. You wanted to put the text over here. So this is a sample video editing lecture for full stack club at Bennett, and added it. But you can check it's very large text, okay. This is a very large text. I need to resize it. So select font, I am making it just say 72, okay. Now text is little, okay, I can make it little like 64 only. So this seems okay. Okay, so now if I wanted to do something like if you want to make it, some scrolling is also available there. So if you want to scroll the complete text, you just need to go to the filters. So for every video or maybe PPT or the mic, whatever the additions are there, you just want to have one option, that is filters. So you need to add something on the filters, and in this case the scroll is there. So now this time onwards you are able to check that you are able to scroll the complete text. So we are not going to that much fast, but maybe 100, something like 100. Okay, so this you can see. So this is happening here. So you can create a video like this. So if you check, the logo is not visible here nicely, so I can put it somewhere here maybe, so it may look something good. Okay, so this is the way we can make it. And yes, although I am having here a good audio capture device, the sound is good here, means the noise compression is already built in this microphone, but I can use it with the help of the filters available with me. Means if I make it like this, the video capture, the video screen PPT is not visible to you, that time you will be able to notice that if I go to this mic, which is already having the noise cancellation in this case right now, but the filters are available here. You can check with this, add some filters. If you are not having such kind of mic which is inbuilt, which are having inbuilt noise cancellation, so you can cancel the noise with the help of this OBS software as well. So the most of the time what we are working on is the simple Boya mic. So we are going to suppress something, we are going to suppress something, and we're going to increase the gain also. So you can increase the gain, so the voice will be little louder. You can suppress the noise with the help of this. These are the options. Okay, so whenever you will increase or decrease, the noise will be reduced or deducted from the will be cancelled actually. Okay, something like this will happen. Okay, so these were the things that I would like to show you. The options you can check a little better, like these are the options. If you want to show something, you just put these options, hide or show. At the same time, if you lock something, you won't be able to drag after that. So these are the simple options available every time. Okay, so this was all from my side as part of showing you the basic introduction of this video editing purpose. Okay, so thank you all of you for watching this video, and I just wanted to tell you that you should make some interactive videos here. Multiple options are there, and the best is, if I have a green screen in my background, I will be able to show you that the complete thing that are right now coming in the background won't be there. Means I can remove all these background effects, you better know very well. So that purpose, if I just want to demonstrate it, I can show it very easily. Means I need to hide all these things in the PPT also. Now if I go back to this video capture device, filter is available there. Means if I add the filter, the chroma key is there. So in most of the time the screen is green, and that's why we say VFX green screen. Okay, effect. So chroma key is there. If I add the green, by default complete background will be removed, only I will be available. It will definitely give you a better look and feel for the complete video. Most of the time the YouTubers and the person who are dealing with to create the interactive videos use the green screen, so you can do at the same time. I have also ordered one for me, so I'm going to use the chroma key for the future lectures. Okay, so this was all. Thank you so much for having some such patience. Thank you.